Hello, today I'm going to show you how to set up a meeting on your Microsoft Teams with your students. I usually like to set up my meetings in advance with my students so they get the alert and it's almost like giving them a warning of, hey, we're going to meet at this time. I will go into my Teams. I'm actually on my test classroom. So if you go onto the top right hand corner, instead of meeting now, you want to schedule a meeting. When you schedule that meeting, it's going to pop up that says new meeting. I would say it's rational lesson. Let's just say my first class is on the 19th at 9 a.m. until 10 a.m. And we can always custom this to every other day if you want to, every week, but it's not daily since we're having classes or schedules every other day. You can add attendee if you want. This is usually for inviting people that's outside of the organization, which is outside of the Microsoft Teams. I will usually write a note, please make sure to read handout in your OneNote. See you all soon. And this will send out, and it will post on here exactly on the post. It will post when I schedule a meeting, and then it tells me what to do.